Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share another um, card from hashtag Deck the Year 2025, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'll tag her down below, and I'll have the hashtag in my title so you can click on it and go check out everybody's creations. This week, I was in the mood or I am in the mood for fall. And I've been in the mood for a couple weeks now because I've been seeing everybody's projects and I just want fall to come. I love the falling of the leaves. I love the crisp air. I love, campfires outside in the cold and, eating s'mores and all that good stuff. And Halloween, although my kids don't trick or treat, but I love seeing the trick or treaters in the neighborhood. I enjoy that the most. So I am ready for fall. So I took out a Dollar Tree time card and I altered it. So if you notice, I've been destashing a lot of my stash, and I came across these papers. Um, I can't remember. I can't remember what company this came from. I don't know if it was um, um, what is it called? Memory, um, making memories. And these are 4x6 cards. And I saw it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to make something with it. And I did. I altered this. Um, so it doesn't cover the entire card, which is fine. I just kind of took the middle and I divided it up and I tore it and I distressed it with my distress ink. I added some remnants of some lace I had, and it's, not, it doesn't lay down flat completely, which is fine with me. I kind of like that look. I pulled out a dictionary meaning of family. This is a new item that I purchased this year. Where did it go? I came from Hobby Lobby, and it is fall decorations. Um, and by the way, Hobby Lobby's, I think these are still 40%, but Christmas is 50%. I was like, what? I had to go to Hobby Lobby for my daughter. I had to pick up some supplies for her for school. Um, so this is like a faux leather, and it's kind of thick, and I just loved how it looked on here. The brown just kind of pops. And then what did I do? I added some of these leaves that I had in my stash. I'm like finding all this stuff as I'm going through my destashes, and I'm like, oh my gosh. Then I used some of these what do you call it? Sunflowers. I have a container of all my fall items now that I can just go in there and pull. You just don't know how it feels to actually come in here and not feel overwhelmed. I mean, I have gotten rid of a lot of stuff. I've given a ton of stuff to Goodwill. I don't have a reuse it area, or I would have, donated it there. But there is a kind of like a reuse it, but you have to make an appointment, and it's just a hassle. So I donated it to Goodwill. So anyway, it is what it is. But I really love how this time card turned out. Isn't that cool? I could put this on, um, I could display it, I could display it, or I, could put it on a canvas or something and, hang it on my walls. I could do a lot with this. So, yeah. So this is my time card for this week. I think it's week 36, September 4th, for hashtag Deck the Year. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.